Good morning, good afternoon, TEFS Trading Room, Master Room team. I hope everyone had a beautiful weekend and ready for the first trading week of March. Welcome everyone after a nice, sunny, and let's call it like warmer than usual weekend on my side. Hi, Clifton. Good morning to you. Please, traders, if there is any problem with the sound, please just let me know. So far, I get it that it's working fine, hopefully. So, who is ready for this week? Actually, I guess it's going to be another bumpy one, huh? After a very red February, seems like that the last day at least looked like a pullback on the markets, both on the S&P 500 and the triple Q. Also, as I was just having a private mentoring in the after or in the morning, and I was just telling to my trader that listen, this is not sure that this is still the start of a bigger pullback. Might this is just a dead cat bounce. Well, let's see what's going to happen. Also, to a dead cat bounce, the volume was quite high on Friday, nice pullback on the markets, but it did not help on the fact that both the SPY and the triple Q just ended in red for February. Actually, I'm just going to check the exact numbers in my newsletter, which I'm posting every day in the TEFS social media traders. So if you are looking for TEFS Academy on X and Instagram and Facebook, even Telegram, then you will find us, and then even to you can just be updated with the daily newsletter every day European time until 9:30. So as I just wrote in my newsletter, the Nasdaq dropped 4%, the S&P 1.4, and the Dow lost 1.6% traders for February. Let's see whether March is going to be a different and positive month for the markets. Hi Miguel, good morning Lee, nice to see everyone, happy Monday. Okay, so if this is going to happen, I mean, if March is going to be a better month for the market, usually, as you know, February is not a good month for the overall stock market, and it happened. But if March is going to be the reversal month, I assume that might we are going to see a new all-time high. But this is still a lot of questions until it's going to be on the agenda to see new all-time highs, especially on the tariff side. Geopolitical tensions are not going well either after a very, let's call it, embarrassing meeting between Zelensky and Trump during the weekend. If you have seen the video, you know what I'm talking about. So indeed, this is just started a fear in Europe, and Europe just called the countries to speed up. Weaponizing the countries, not a good news at all. Also, this helped the defense sector to push higher like that. Overall, European stock exchanges went really, really green for today. But not only the European stocks and the pre-market futures are very nicely to the upside, by the way, on the US market, but even the Bitcoin got a big push to the upside. A reason for that, I'm just telling you, the prices just surged Sunday after President Donald Trump announced plans for US strategic crypto reserve. And this is going to include XRP, Solana, and Cardano as well. So in the Truth Social post, Trump pledged to make the US the crypto capital to the world. So that's a quite of a big goal, but we know Trump is really speaking in big things. So, and later confirmed that Bitcoin and Ethereum would be at the reserve's core. So because of that, the Bitcoin just reversed, and it just went $14,000. So back to this $94,000 level at the moment. Big move on MSTR, Coin, Mara. So all of the Bitcoin related stocks going to be on my list for today traders because of that interesting news from Donald Trump, President Donald Trump on Sunday. Hi, Brian. Hi, Dor. Nice to see everyone. Traders, if you have any questions, as as usual regarding trading, test packages, private mentoring, because I've just got some questions about that lately, please just let me know. And again, I'm going to start this month the educational videos, and even I am planning a seminar or a webinar for the month. So please, if you have any idea or anything what you want to hear, to learn about more specific field of trading, risk management, psychology, anything like that, please just drop me an email. I am more than grateful to read your inquiries, what you want to learn and hear about that more. This is going to be, of course, thank you, Clifton. This is going to be, of course, free on the YouTube, and highly likely, if I'm talking about a live webinar, it's going to be in the lunchtime, in the US market lunchtime indeed. Of course, the educational videos are going to be recorded, and you can just watch it anytime on our YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you in advance. If you have any question or any questions as well, but any ideas about what kind of field of trading you want to, you want to learn more, then please just drop me an email. Okay, so back to the market traders. Looks like we have a rosy, shiny green pre-market. Question whether we can continue that. As I mentioned, you was the spine triple Q made a beautiful green pullback day on Friday, and with quite of a remarkable volume. But again, I'm still not sure whether this is going to be a start of creating a new all-time high. This is still just quite of a dead cat bounce, but we will see it this week, I guess. And what's going to happen this week? Well, first of all, as you know, this week is going to be a tariffs week again, and especially the tariffs towards to Canada and Mexico. It's going to set to take effect this week, actually tomorrow. But there are still questions about the tariffs, as we don't know the exact tariffs, because it was like 25%, but it can be even lower. If it's going to be a lower number, actually, I think personally that the market is going to react positively. When are we going to know more about this? Well, definitely today, because there will be President Trump speech around 1 p.m. again. So please be aware there will be some turbulence on the market prices again, and hopefully we will hear more updates on the tariff side, and hopefully positive updates indeed. What else for the economic news for today? 9:45 and 10 o'clock we will get more news coming, economic news. 9:45 the final manufacturing PMI, and 10 o'clock ISM manufacturing PMI, ISM manufacturing prices, plus even construction spending. So this is a quite of a busy day, especially because of the tariffs. As I've told you, I'm expecting a quite of a nice volatility in the beginning of the day, and definitely around 1 p.m. because usually it's written that there's going to be a President Donald Trump speech, but it's tentative based on the Forex Factory calendar. But we know that most of the times, like 90% of the times, he's speaking around 1 p.m. market time. Okay, so this is on the economic field. We still have earnings season, though very much at the end. As last week we got the NVDA out, that was the last big name on the earnings. So I would say this is not going to have a big impact on the market so far. Rather, the tariffs news and the economic and geopolitical tensions all around, and definitely the big jump on the Bitcoin thanks to the reserve news. All right, traders, so let's just jump to the big movers. If you have anything on the radar, please just let me know. Of course, we have pre-market movers. And as I mentioned you, especially CoinMara MST are going to be on my list. So I'm just going to start my candidates list now. If you have anything on the radar, please just let me know. I'm more than happy to take a look at it. So Coin and MSTR, I'm just going to call it to the long side. Reason for that, for the newcomers, as I mentioned, President Donald Trump had some great news for the Bitcoin on Sunday, that this is going to be Actually, the US is going to be the crypto capital of the world, and it's going to have a strategic, the US, a strategic crypto reserve, including XRP, Solana, and Cardano. So if you are trading the crypto and the Bitcoin, might this is the time for a long, I don't know. I'm not saying anything like that because I'm not trading it. I had an Ethereum trade, a very nice one. I just started one last week, just a small one, and I'm just going to leave it to run again because I feel like all of the Bitcoin as well just reach some nice um, by the deep levels, as you can see. Since then, the Bitcoin is back $14,000. Okay, traders. So the next one, coin and MSTR. Mara, we can watch it. I'm just going to watch it in the secondary list because it's not always moving so nicely as especially coin. MSTR sometimes it's a bit spready for me and crazy mover, but I know, for example, DVG likes it very much and having a really great trades on that in the master room. So let's see what kind of opportunities we will have on it today. Next one on the run is Tesla. It's just jumping 3% after Morgan Stanley's Adam Jones names embedded Tesla a new top pick in US autos with expectations of roughly 50% bounce in store. So seems like Tesla got some good news from JP Morgan analyst, and this is the time for a reversal on Tesla. Well, definitely, if we check the daily chart and the technicals, Tesla it's definitely a great 200 EMA reversals looks like. Also for that, if you just check my daily um, chart on the Tesla, as you can see, 302 and 30, 302 level, it's the 200 EMA. I would like to see to jump over it. Also, it's around 293 level at the moment on the Tesla, still a lot to go, but seems like a great candidate to the long side. Let me just check. Oh yes, I forgot to get in my pre-market. It just jumped over 300 in the pre-market. Nice strong move to the upside. I would like to see in this case not 300 300 to hold it as a nice support, but if it could break the pre-market highs, that would be a great long candidate. So Tesla can go to the long rest. Oh, and of course, I forgot regarding the coin. Hood is the other one, which, as you know, there were some news regarding the Bitcoin in the hood, which has driven the hood higher. So hood is just jumping on the Bitcoin news as well. I like it very much for a nice continuation. So hood is going to be on my list as well to the long side. Next one, Southwest Airlines, 2% again lower as JP Morgan downgraded the airline carrier an underweight rating from neutral. Ouch, that's not a good news for LUV. This is anyway an embedded stock nowadays. Looks like as a great reversal, looked like on Friday. Now it's definitely lower. Unfortunately, that means that we can watch it to the short side, especially if it's breaking the $30 level. So this is going to be my first short candidate list on the LUV. Okay, crypto exchanges, as I mentioned you on the upside, we have Capri Holdings, 8% higher after Bloomberg report citing people familiar that said Prada could soon close a deal to buy Versace from luxury fashion house Capri for an agreed on price of nearly 1.5 billion euros. Wow, that's a big deal for CPRI. So let's see whether Capri Holdings can even stretch this nice green stripe in the pre-market. Well, this is not a huge mover. Only because of that, I'm going to put it just to the secondary list on the CPRI. Scott V, good morning to you. Nice to see you. Okay, next one is here is Allegro Microsystem, which is, I must tell you, I've never traded this stock, ALGM, and let's see what is the news, which is just jumping crazy So Allegro Microsystem 15% higher. Bloomberg citing familiar people familiar with the matter said that the chip maker has drawn takeover interest from ON Semiconductors. That's a very, very positive news for the stock. And this is not a done deal yet. So this is not a done deal buyout, which means that this is still the rumors which we like buying. So let's see whether it's going to stretch more first. Second, going to give us a little bit better setup to join the party on ALGM. Looks interesting for a long, and I would like to see a little bit more volume maybe on that one. Aurora Innovation is here as well. AUR 9% after Morgan Stanley initiated coverage on the stock with an overweight rating. AU, mhm, AUOR, no, AUR, okay. Never traded this stock. I must admit, AUR looks like as a very nice mover. Like if it's having really good news, it can just stretch a lot to the upside. I like it to the long side traders. This is a lower price stocks, but with a great opportunity. Plowin is here 6.8% higher. The mobile advertising company disclosed changes to its buyback program, which looks like the traders like it. So APP looks like as a great opportunity to the upside at the moment. So APP, I'm just going to put it to the long side. Too many long candidates, not too much on the short side though. So let's see what else here. Mosaic companies here as well. This is higher MOS after an upgrade to overweight from neutral to JP Morgan. MOS, I'm just going to put it to the secondary list because there are a little problem with the volume. CMG is here, the restaurant chain, 2% after an upgrade. Looks like Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan analyst got some job this morning because there are lots of upgrades and even some downgrades. So CMG, Chipotle looks like as a great pullback and going higher. I need to call it to my long list again. And the last one is Okta, which is higher again. The management company fiscal fourth quarter earnings results set to release Monday after market close. So Okta, I'm going to put it just to the secondary list because this is a company which is expecting the earnings after market close. That's why it can be quite volatile. So let's be careful with that stock indeed. Nice candidates to the short side only LUV as just for Scott, as I see he already posted his list. Very similar to mine indeed. Also, as I've told you, I'm going to watch closely even Hood, Coin, Mara, PLTR. Don't forget PLTR traders. I think this can be a great reversal play for today as well. And not even mentioning SMCI and the others. So traders, this is my list for today. I'm just going to post it in the master room and of course in the YouTube trading room as well. So this we have it here. And I just wish you Master Room traders a beautiful green day with the guys. I'm sure you are going to be in great hands as always. And as usual, I'm just going to continue on the YouTube channel, which is free for everyone. So if you feel like, just pop over. And I'm going to see you tomorrow, of course. Thank you, team. Thank you, Clifton, Scott, DVG. Good luck for you today. And see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, traders, YouTube traders, I am back for you. And let's see what's going to happen here indeed. Hi, Anne. Good morning. As I mentioned you, market is in a good mood. Finally, after the nice reversal day on Friday, actually a beautiful green day on the SPY and on the triple Q2. Indeed, the big question whether this is going to be a continuation, telling you the biggest barriers there. Well, first of all, from the economic point of view, the biggest barrier can be indeed, first of all, the tariffs. As you know, the Canadian, Mexican, and Chinese tariffs are going to be set to effect from tomorrow, and there will be another President Trump's speech around 1 p.m., and I guess we will know the exact percentage of these tariffs. And actually, it still can be a pleasant surprise from Trump that, for example, instead of 75%, he's going to go only for 15%. I just told you something. It can happen. In this case, in my opinion, we can see this nice dead cat bounce to be continued even higher. But for that, we still need to wait. Second, on the daily chart, if we just check the SPY and the triple Q, both of them, the Friday trading day was a beautiful green day with a impressive high volume. Or I know, of course, it's not enough yet to say anything or predict anything based on the technical side, because if we just check the SPY, as you can see, the 600 level can be a really, really tough level to break and stay over it for the SPY, as there is the 50 and the 20 EMA as well on the daily. Plus, 600 is quite of a round number, big resistance. On the triple Q, if we just check the triple Q, it was not that big bounce. Also, the volume was impressive here too. And this level for the triple Q, which is the 600 level for the SPY, this is going to be a 520 level for the triple Q. Now it's around 513, so $7 more to go. Well, let's see if this was just a dead cat bounce, traders. I assume that today it's going to be a dodgy day or a quite of a hesitant day. Can be, especially if Trump is not going to say anything important, which I doubt. And in this case, the uncertainty can just go further. Mm. From the geopolitical level, we have a little problem as well. I don't know whether you just watched the interview, not interview, meeting between Trump and Zelensky during the weekend. That was not good at all. It went not well. Really, unfortunately, this is a very sad thing. But in this case, seems like US is not going to help to Ukraine, which means, unfortunately, this war is still going on, which is not good news for the Europeans. So geopolitical tension, in other words, again intensifying, not good news. This can have a little problem, mean a little problem for the US stocks as well. And what else? Oh yeah, labor market week for today. ADP non-farm employment change, lots of labor market news out from Wednesday. So let's be careful even from tomorrow. So let's be just careful and follow the news closely. Hi there. You were asking the LI short, right? I'm just checking. Chinese stock exchange was quite strong indeed. So I've seen PDD is up. I don't know about BABA is up as well, 1.33. But in the auto industry nowadays, we know there are some not good news because of the tariffs, especially. And LI is down, as I see. Yes, you are right. Maybe if it continues under the pre-market lows, maybe we can just check LI to the short side or so. This is not always a big mover, okay? But let's just see that. If you still have any questions, traders, please just let me know, okay? So you can just ask about any candidates on your side or anything trading related or the TEFS packages, challenges. If you just check the TEFS.com, you can see, especially if you're registering, because on the website there is not too many things, but if you register, you can just find both of the one-step challenges, which is a very new thing and every trader likes it, and the other one is the funded accounts for the traders who definitely are serious traders. Okay, guys, now let's see. Scott is calling already in the master room. Some stocks here: Tesla over 300, ARGM over 2650, Coin 237 and Hood 55, all of them to the long side. I agree. If we can continue higher, this can be a great calls. But as you know me, I'm always waiting for the intraday setup. Very rare when I'm trading in the first 5 minutes, actually. You know, as I've told you always, and I've learned it from one of my best mentor ever, Shlomo Cooper, who was just repeating all the time that, Agi, don't worry, the next opportunity is just around the corner. And this is so true. That's why we love US stocks, because there are so many great opportunities here, not just 3 or 5 stocks definitely, but more tens indeed, which you can just watch at the same time. So let's just see which one is the best. We don't have too many short candidates, so my gap and go strategy, which usually I'm following in the first 15 minutes, it's not going to give any entry. LUV is the only short candidate on my side, and as you mentioned, even maybe LI we can watch. And NVIDIA is red though. Seems like NVIDIA fame is over, guys. It just cannot get back on its feet. It's down 0.70%. Pepsi, which is down almost 1%, and Apple is not doing well either, 0.25% lower. NVIDIA and Apple can just ruin the triple Q nice green pre-market. So let's just be careful. Hi, Tara. Good afternoon to you. Happy Monday trading, everyone, and good luck. Okay. I like PLTR for today, Tara. You should watch it. So as you can see, I'm going to watch Applavin, Coin, AUR, SMCI on my first monitor. I just reduced the number of the charts to 6, which is better, I think, because you can just it's more transparent, let's call it like that. And I still have like 3 more monitors to check the stocks here. So I'm still watching Meta, Okta, Amazon, Roblox as well, SoundHound, PayPal, NVIDIA, and a little bit more here, just telling you. Just a second. And this is going to be PDD, Hood, Microsoft, LUV, ALGM, CPR, IPLTR, and that's it, I think. Raspi, hola, ¿cómo estás? Which EMAs I have? 50, 20, and 200. Just writing, okay? Daily EMA, sorry, 20, 50, and 200. And actually, even the 200 SMA is not bad either to put on your, yes, a 100 EMA on the intraday chart. I have the 100 EMA, yeah, on my others. On this one is just the VWAP and VWAP. VWAP, 100 EMA, 20 and 50 EMA as well. This is on the intraday. This is what I have there. Okay, traders, 3 more minutes, 2 more minutes to go with the opening bell. Please don't forget 9:45 and 10 o'clock. We will get some economic news, so we should be careful there. And I prefer longs, of course, as the market is pulling back, but I'm going to be cautious, especially around the economic news, first of all. Second, around 1 p.m., because there will be another Trump speech coming indeed. Okay, where is Hood? I forgot Hood. I'm going to put it here instead of the LI. Hood is here, yes. All right, what else? Coin, I have it. ARGM, Tesla. Don't have Tesla, so I'm just going to put here Tesla to watch, which was just called by a JP Morgan analyst or Morgan Stanley, one of them, as a great reversal opportunity on the Tesla. If we turn down, I like NVIDIA and Apple. I completely agree, Tara. NVIDIA, it's here for me. Apple too. So I am completely agreeing with your choice, as both of them are red in the pre-market until both of the indices are moving higher at the moment. As I mentioned we have already some calls from Scott from the master room. He called CPRI over 24, Hood 55, Coin 237, and Tesla 300. And we have Amir Barak as well today. That's great. And he has IONQ and ACON as well on his list, which we can watch too. Like IONQ, as far as I remember, it is a lower priced but great moving stock. Beautiful reversal opportunity to the upside with the IONQ. I like it as well. At the moment, it is not up too much. Let me just check it on my other monitor. Yeah, IONQ, it's higher 3.38%, beautiful 200 EMA reversal on the daily, as you can see, and very nice pre-market volume. So I agree that we should watch IONQ as well. All right, traders, good luck, everyone. We just started. Don't forget, it's very much early in the morning and early into the week. It's Monday, which can be volatile in the first 30 minutes, but I hope we will get some great opportunities here. All right, so far, nice move to the upside. SPY, triple Q. Okay, SPY small pull or a gap up. NVIDIA is still moving lower. DVG likes coin very much. He just called it, he's watching it as a hawk on the coin. Scott really takes Tesla traders. He's going to take it already over this $300 level on the Tesla. It is just on a reversal, by the way. Coin looks like it's stretching to IONQ already to the upside. Wow. IONQ looks very good, but no entry level on my side. SMCI, let's see. AUR strong too. How about Meta, which I guess it's going to be a strong one today as well. Yes, very strong. Octa, I'm watching Amazon. All right. PayPal, nice move too. All right, SMCI is pulling back. IONQ pulling back. As I see, these can be gap and go plays. Tesla, nice. So Scott took it over $300 level, as I mentioned you. Yes, Alamu, good morning to you. App Lavin, I'm watching it. It's just making a small consolidation now. It looks great, maybe over 352 for a reversal. IONQ, it's very spready. I'm here watching ACON over this high. PayPal breaking out. SoundHound is going higher too. Amazon breaking, Okta breaking, as I see. And what I am especially watching, it is Applavin too. It looks great, just a bit spready, Alamu. NVIDIA is trying to make a reversal as well. Tesla pulled back. Oh, PLTR, straight green line, not good. Okay, Microsoft making a reversal, which is good. I'm still waiting, traders. I have not convinced by any of them so far. Maybe Hood can be interesting here, by the way, if you're just checking Hood. Hood can be interesting here over this 54.50 for a reversal, which I'm watching. This can be a quite of a nice gap and go reversal. Coin, it's trying hard, but still no entry. If you took Alamu APP, good luck with that. I'm going to call this hood. That looks great for a possible reversal above 54 and 51. Stop loss, it's under the low of the day. Tesla over 302. Tesla, yes, looks great. Looks great over 302. Only I would take it though with a half share size and 302 over 302 and 05 only. And it's quite hectic, so that's why I would put it or took it just take it just with a half share size. Hood is moving lower, that's not good. LUV is back. PLT are beautiful. I have one more great candidate here with INTC over 2480 traders. INTC over 24 and 80. This is a very similar reversal as on the hood. Oh, Amir just called it. I've just seen the, okay. He called it over 2470. I've called it over 2480. 82 is going to be my entry traders on the INTC. Stop loss, it's under the low of the day, which is 2450. So please just do your calculation. Beautiful APLAV in play, Alamo, if you took it. AUR broke, coin moving lower, SMCI lower, NVDA lower. Wow, Hood unfortunately is just ruining my entry there. INTC not in yet, looking great. Tesla entered Alamo over 302. Hopefully it's going to go. I forgot to take because I was just focusing on INTC and Hood, but Hood is ruining the party here. Nice on Tesla. In the meantime, market it just could not break the highs too much yet, which is not a good news indeed. So let's be careful here. As I mentioned you, I'm still not sure that this was not just a dead cat bounce here. Okay, INTC is in. I would like to go for the 30 cents, but definitely around the high of the day to take a partial. Unfortunately, Hood just ruined the entry here. PLT are beautiful. Tesla very good, Alamo, if you took it over 302. You would take a partial slowly. Come on, INTC, don't go back. Kevin just posted in a master room as a news that Trump told that tomorrow night will be big. Well, I guess he's talking about the tariffs and traders. This market doesn't look especially strong, especially if it's or if we get under the VWAP and continues lower. King, are you around? I think we should watch TQQQ just for a hedge again. INTC playing around, that's not good. 45, I'm going to be out. Amir is still holding. Coin down, Hood down, SMCI down, and NVIDIA is down. And looks like Triple Q just broke the lows. Oh, come on, INTC. 45, I need to be out. Yeah, it's already, I just missed it, King. I can't believe you, INTC. I need to say goodbye to that if it's breaking this candle again. Hood, I think we will have a better entry here. Last chance for INTC. SPY triple Q under the VWAP. That's not good. INTC last chance to make the reversal. If it's not making it, there it is. And though PLTR it's holding nicely, But SMCI again under the lows, and VDA is completely falling off. And let me just check the Apple because all of the big tech stocks are just bleeding out again. I had no chance to take this TQQQ dicking, unfortunately. Hopefully next time. Market cannot go without a no, it cannot level 2. And even Apple, though it tried to make a nice continuation, reversal and continuation, I'm still not sure. Oh, I don't want to start with a loser. Come on, INTC, make the pullback here. Airbnb dicking, checking. Airbnb. Yes, you are right. It's very strong. I like it. No, I would not take it for a breakout over the high, but let's just watch it for a reversal. Tesla, what a big drop. Alamo, I hope you had a chance to take a partial here. INTC is still fighting traders, but under the lowest point. I'm not going to give more chance. It looks like NVIDIA is just bleeding completely out back to this 120 level. Amazing. Apple in 2. Coin is down 225 level. So instead of a nice green gap and go on the market, oh no, it's just out on my INTC. Shame on you, INTC. Looks like this is just a gap and reversal day so far for the market. Very interesting. I don't know whether Amir is still holding. I don't think so. He's holding anymore, this INTC. Okay, so let's just look for shorts. If the market is just making that ugly move, Oracle is in red traders, Amazon is in red, by the way. Oracle, big drop. PayPal holding nicely though in green, but we need some volume there. Apple is holding nicely too, but Nvidia completely ruined the bull party, in the beginning bull party at least. If you are still holding INTC, hard stop loss traders under the 20 EMA, which is 24.29, don't let it run more. And I'm actually really watching PayPal because it does not care about the market yet, though. Also, the market stopped a little bit as well. mRNA is strong too, so we can watch it as well. And seems like that this market cannot stay strong, especially thanks to NVIDIA, in my opinion. Coin, we should short coin? Huh. After such a good news, well, let's see. Coin, yeah, it looks like as a bear flag. Also, I'm not, maybe just for a scalp because the volume is just slightly higher in the red candles. So if you shorted it because it just broke down already, wow, then I would go just for a quick scalp dicking, take your partial, and then let's see if it can continue lower. Of course, traders, the hood, it's over, like completely. SPY triple Q are making a bear flag here in the meantime. Actually, Meta breaking down, TQQQ making a bear flag too. So dicking as we just missed the 76 short. Maybe here we can join just under 75.20 because seems like that this market is just making quite of an ugly move to the downside. NVIDIA breaking 120. Apple holding nicely. I'm still not sure we do continue, so I'm not taking it TQQQ dicking at the moment. And no time to call it either. PLTR now pulled back. SPY triple Q still looks like as a bear flag in the meantime. mRNA, yeah. mRNA, if it can make a bull flag, Lee, in this case, I think we can have a continuation there. Overall market still looks like as a consolidation, continuation pattern lower. But in my opinion, NVIDIA, it's a bit extended. Also, if it's not going to make the reversal here on the 120, it's completely over. Okay, so far, strong pre-market and very weak continuation after the opening bell, and seems like was the spine triple Q breaking lower now. Apple, though, it's still holding nicely, not like NVIDIA. Oracle back to 163.80. Meta looks like it's breaking down again, ugly. Coin is really fighting the king. Be careful with this 225 there. Meta 670. Well, actually 670, yeah, it looks like it's a great breakdown. If the market continues now, there is a great chance the king for the Meta. I agree with that. Also, I would prefer reversals here, but might we won't get it. I mean reversals. Oracle reversing, NVIDIA is trying hard. But yeah, Meta looks interesting there. NVIDIA too for continuation, I agree, but we need to see a bear flag or a bull flag. Tesla, big reversal traders. I missed that reversal, but looks interesting now. PLTR is getting stronger too. If you are still holding INTC, again, 29 is the hard stop loss, and let's just see whether it can make the reversal. PLTR looks strong too. I'm just watching the ones which look strong for a possible reversal, but again, this market again is starting with on a weak note. And mRNA, though it's back to the VWAP, might we can have a reversal there, or rather. Meta now is still in this consolidation though. So actually it's a two-way play in my opinion, like over 274, it can be a long decking, and under 270, 674, and under 670, it's a short on the Meta, in my opinion. PLTR back to the highs. mRNA not yet. Microsoft is doing the same as Meta, by the way. I'm here watching MU. Big question whether there will be a nice reversal here. Tesla on the highs, PLTR on the highs. But the market looks like really a bit undecided, going sideways now. By the way, ALGM looks like as a really great intraday breakout. I like it. I try to take something which is not that much affected by the market, and this ALGM looks like one of them. So this is going to be my second trade of the day if it's going to go over this 2705 level. Hood just stopped too. Applovin back over the VWAP. And VDA fighting hard for a reversal. PDD reversing. PLTR looks very strong too, but overall market is not moving. That's not a good news. Meta broke. Apple broke as well, traders. Okay. Market tried hard, but seems like big names are just going lower. That means it might be to continue this bleeding again. Ugly. Yeah, GM broke my nice consolidation as well. Yeah, Tara, very ugly moves indeed. Hard to read the tape on this type of market, I must tell you. Not easy. Actually, I'm not very happy to touch this market at the moment. SPY triple Q looks like as another possible breakdown. But you never know. This is the problem. You never know what's coming next on a market where it's hard to read the tape. SMCI trying to reverse too. If it cannot bounce, it's over, in my opinion. Even Hood continues lower, coin continues lower. Nice short on Meta, dicking, but go for a dollar scalp because I'm not sure that the market has not been done with this pullback yet. 508 on the triple Q, 595, 595. It's a really big support on the SPY. If it cannot make the reversal here, it's going to be in trouble soon. Tesla, it's completely crazy. Big up and downs. Not nice. Triple Q looks like still not done yet. Yeah, the guys are just talking in the master room about the same, that it's really hard to read this market today. And the charts, indeed, not good. DBG likes Google. He thinks might is going to make a reversal. Hood, it's a really ugly pullback. ALGM unfortunately turned lower, not higher. PLTR turned lower too. Leo, hopefully it's going to do something soon. Big pullback on the Bitcoin related stocks too. Very weird. Okay, seems like there is no mercy for the bulls today. Plowing breaking down. Also, NVIDIA is still holding. Guys, I like this SMCI if you make a reversal, 4072. Just for a scalp. Looks like Amir and me are trading the same today. He just called SMCI over 4070. Also, the market we need to stop to see to stop finally. PLT are down to crazy. Coins still bleeding. Hood 2. NVIDIA getting back to the lows. Scott thinks Hood it's completely done, extended, so he's going to take it over 50-50 for a bottom reversal. Yes, Tara, this looks like as a bear flag. I'm thinking on that NVDA too, but it can be valid only under 119.50 in my opinion. 119.50. You're done, Leo? I hope in green. If you are done, I really hope it's in green. Coin was a nice call under this 225. I was a bit afraid of that one. You were right on this. Even Meta made a nice $2 move. And seems like the market is still weak. Nice, Leo. Well done. Very well done. Seems like market does not stop. NVDA, oh, it already entered under 119.50. Tara, if you took NVDA, beautiful, go for a 50, take a partial, and then let's see whether we can make a reversal here. Very nice. And SPY triple Q are just making a big break again. Amazing how quickly we turned from green to red on the overall market. SPY broke the lows, triple Q breaking the lows. So looks like so far traders that this Friday it was a dead cat bounce. I think market is afraid of the tariffs now, or I don't know what's happening here, but doesn't look good. Does not look good. SMCI is not in yet for me, but I'm still holding. Nice short on NVDA, Tara. And seems like the market is not going to stop. Also, I'm waiting a bit to see that stop, but doesn't seem like it wants to stop. 506 broken by the triple Q, and it just touched the 100 EMA on the daily, by the way, on the 1-minute chart. That's geopolitical. Amir just saw that geopolitical tension is rising because of this Ukraine conflict, Ukraine and US conflict. So that's why it's one of the reasons as well. Market is bleeding. Ugly. DVG bought coin on 221. Hood, I think it's going to be bought by Scott over $50. So the reversal is here. I still like my SMCI if we do reverse at all on that market. But things doesn't look good, guys. Things doesn't look good for the bulls at all. Here comes my SMCI. 76 is my entry here. Very big selling pressure on the market again. Ugly. Lots of stocks just touched the 100 EMA on the 1-minute chart, like Meta, Apple, TQQQ as well. By the way, coin looks like still moving lower, guys. SMCI, I like the fact how SMCI is holding, also I have not bought it yet. 76 is my entry there. Ooh, things are not looking good. What's happening on that crazy market now? Look at that. Big drop, I think it's news traders. Oh yes, ISM manufacturing PMI, of course. So looks like even the economic news are not good for the market. Look at that, guys. That's a bleeding. Wow. Nasty, nasty. Nasty, nasty. So this is the economic news at the moment. Does not look good. DVG likes 118.90 NVDA long. I still like my SMCI. Now even Hood looks better. What a crazy move, traders. Be careful with everything, please. SMCI, I still like it. 76 is going to be my entry. Has not entered yet. Entered. I would like to take a partial around 41.20, which is a 40 cents. Nice, okay. I'm going to be ready to take a partial on the SMCI in 20 cents, traders. I really hope it's pushing a bit higher, but this NVDA, it's completely cannot stop bleeding. Amazing. Market is fighting on the lows, but still under pressure as I feel from the bears. Not great to see indeed. Barely green with SMCI, and there is a big battle on the market, whether we will see a small pullback or not. Big question though. If it's not going to bounce, it's going to be a really ugly red day, traders, for the market. Crazy times again. Not a great start for March, right? I mean, like really crazy volatile market so far. Scott called Hood over 50, as I've told you. SPY triple Q still fighting on the lows, guys. Doesn't look good. Does not look good. No, Leo. Nice start on the NVDA. Beautiful trade. Just missed it. Here comes Hood. And actually here comes coin as well for a nice reversal, my opinion. SMCI, I'm going to be ready to take the first partial here finally. Not a nice market, in my opinion, so far. Actually, if we break lower, we still can watch this TQQQ here. Oh, SMCI, come on. Traders on SMCI, I'm not going to let it run against me too much. 45, 40, 45, I'm going to be out because as I've told you, I'm not sure yet whether this market has been done with moving lower. I don't like this. Okay, market is trying really hard, but seems like there is no buyers at all. So in this case, we need a hedge trade of 540, maybe under 73.50 on the TQQQ. And VDA completely no sign for recovery. If you took hood, I would take here a partial, like 50-50, stop loss under 50 and just let it run. Two losers, that's not good. And the market still cannot make a reversal at all. That's weird. CPRI, it's making a nice comeback. Of course, ALGM is not going to be a trade for sure. Coin, though, it's making a nice comeback. Yes, Pi going back to the lows, post triple Q. How about PRTR? Not too much. Now let's see whether the market is able to switch in gears or not. Looks like. I'm going to watch Tesla again around 300 if we are able to move higher here. But the overall market doesn't look good. Like until we cannot break the VWAP, it doesn't worth to watch anything. No one likes the market for today, as I see. Soundhound is coming back nicely in these. So I'm watching still even Soundhound. Nice comeback on the Tesla, but I would like to see a consolidation and continuation pattern if I can make the move. Scott likes the Tesla as well, over 300. He just called it. And the stop loss at least is $3 in my opinion. Overall market though still looks weak. Traders is just making a consolidation, and I must tell you, even this NVDA looks like another bear flag, Tara, and another breakdown. Ugly, really ugly. Spikes hovering on the lows again, 592, 506 on the triple Q. Nasty market, and NVIDIA is breaking the lows. Wow. TQQQ back to the lows too. 40 minutes went by, market very slow bleeding, lower and lower, but nothing else indeed. And seems like Nvidia is going for a new low. Let's see. Apple pulled back too to this 240 area. This can be a make or break moment for the market again, traders. I feel like if it's breaking down under the lows, this can be another quite of a big leg down. Guys, just calling the market to make a decision as well. Yeah, I agree with that. But so far it's undecided. That's not good. Nice comeback on the Meta. SPY one green candle. That's still not enough, guys. Whole market is under really ugly pressure. Good luck, Leo. Yeah, I'm just thinking to take the TQQQ under the lows. If this market cannot make the decision now and make the reversal. If we do though, 298.60 looks like as a great long on the Tesla. Also, if I'm taking a loser here, I am out of the game for today, traders, which is very sad. But even one of my traders just asked today that when was my last red day? And I think 2 or 3 weeks ago. So it's inevitable. Usually I have one red day in every 2 weeks. Maybe this is going to be, but the battle is still not over. So let's see, Tesla, if you can do the trick here for me. 72, 98, 73 is going to be my entry on the Tesla. Coin looks great as well. Hood looks great as well. Very nice reversals. Also, I'm not that brave to take these, especially coin. And look at that. This SPY cannot even break this consolidation. Amazing. And Nvidia still looks like it's completely under pressure. Also, I see SoundHound is quite strong trader, so I'm going to watch it here, maybe for a continuation. How about mRNA? It's completely slowed down, unfortunately. SPY triple Q still under pressure, and as I mentioned you, I'm still watching even TQQQ for a hedge play under 73.50. Ooh, YNTC started to move like crazy. Maybe there are some news on the stock. SPY triple Q still doesn't look good, traders. I must tell you, it's ugly. What happened with INTC? That looks ugly. Big drop here, indeed. I'm sure some news related. Okay, so Tesla just made a reversal. Overall market getting back to the lows. In this case, traders, I'm going to take a TQQQ hedge trade. If we go lower, then this is going to be the start of something. Yes, the king, same with me now. I'm just giving up because this market doesn't look like it wants to take any reversal there. So 73.45 is going to be my entry on the TQQQ. If we do go lower, coin completely stuck. Apple looks like rather a breakdown too. Nasty. Looks like we are very much on the same side with Amir. He had just two losses as well, SMCI and the first trade. And look at that NVDA is still going to drop. Wow. That's a nasty move here. Really a long consolidation now on the market, so we really need to see some reversals here or some decision at least. But I'm afraid it's might is going to be another leg down on the market. In this case, no worries, are going to be hedged with the TQQQ under 73.50. 45 is my entry here. Okay, market still on the lows. Guys, if you have anything on the radar, please just let me know. Also, as you can see, volatility, it's really high on the market. The technical patterns are quite unreliable, as I see. So not easy, not an easy day at the moment. It's obvious. NVIDIA looks like another breakdown, ugly. Coin big pullback, too. And we're right, Tara. Looks like NVIDIA ruined the triple Q. Also, lots of big tech stocks continued as well over Amazon, Microsoft. David is waiting for the decision from the SPY, and he sees some nice decision time for the SPY. Well, let's see. Tesla still goes just sideways, unfortunately. But the triple Q still looks weak, in my opinion. PLTR looks weak too. Could not make the reversal. Coin moving lower too. Ugly. Guys are telling in the main room or the master room that it looks like watching paint dry. Amir thought it's a very ugly paint. I, I agree. And guys, this triple Q looks like it's just getting lower. Amazing. Like really, really ugly. So might or TQQQ going to enter soon. Let's see. Also, DVG thought he sees some reversal, possible reversal on the SPY. Let's see what's going to happen here. If we make this reversal, I think, I don't know, NVIDIA finally higher. Traders, and I must tell you, I like this sound hound here over the high 1150. I mean it. It just did not care about the market in the recent days. Let's see. Let me just check this sound hound here. Yeah, yeah, I'm going with it. I like the volume, like everything, indeed. Still trying to find something which is not that much affected by the market. This is going to be, I can take it over 46 already. Agi, approx stop TQQQ $1 like a lot, isn't it? Well, yeah, if we take 73, yes, it is a lot, but actually it was a bunch better. Now I'm going to cancel. I'm in Soundhound Traders in the meantime, but I'm going to cancel TQQQ because it made a much better consolidation there on this under this 100 EMA. So actually, the stop loss it was 74.10. So it was a better stop loss, but now it's ruined, okay? Guys, on the sound hound, I want to go for the 20 cents and then take a partial around 60, 65, okay? 65 rather. And cancel TQQQ, definitely. I entered Tesla too, so I'm in Tesla and SoundHound. On the SoundHound, I want to see an 1165 for the partial. On the Tesla, let's go for 300 for the first partial. Coin is moving nicely if you are still in with the DVG over 221. Just before 300, I'm going to take a Tesla partial soon. Here comes the VWAP on the market. Again, a bigger resistance here, unfortunately. We really need a push now. Apple making a reversal. Okay, traders, here comes the Tesla partialing point. 70% I'm going to take. Very nice. Here is the 300 on the Tesla traders. I'm just taking 70% off on the Tesla and really hope it's going to push over the 300 now. SoundHound 75% I'm going to take. SoundHound. Here comes the 60 break. It actually broke already. SPY triple Q bumped into this ugly VWAP, which needs to be broken here. Okay, traders, here comes SoundHound. I'm just taking 75% off. Nice move, and let's see whether the market can continue higher. So Tesla stop loss under 298.50, 298.50. SoundHound, I'm just taking my partial now. Here is 65. And the stop loss is going to be under 1150, 1150. And let's see whether the Tesla can push higher here. 298.30 is going to be my stop loss exactly. And I'm still not sure whether this market can make this break over the VWAP. If it can, then might we will see a nice bigger pullback here, maybe. SMCI very weak. Tesla is still alive. SoundHound alive. 45, 1145 is going to be my stop loss. Now it's a hard stop loss, and this is a big question mark for the market whether it's going to continue higher or lower here, traders. A very ugly market so far. Tesla last chance. Applying coming back as well. Oh, come on, Tesla. Don't break 298. Ooh, SoundHound is out, traders. That was just a scalp. And overall market is still looking bullish because it's still on the VWAP. That's a good sign, actually. But things doesn't look good if the market is not going to push over the VWAP, in my opinion. I did not put hard stop loss on the Tesla traders, only on the SoundHound. And SPY triple Q looks like it's making a small bull flag now. Question whether we can break it over there. Tesla second try to break the 300. Come on, Tesla. Actually, we can add over 330 to the Tesla trade if it can push higher with the market. Okay, here is Tesla. Second partial on the added part is going to be 302. Oh, INTC is back, but I'm not going to touch it. PLTR, PLTR, it's another question here on the PLTR, guys, actually. Let's see whether it can push over the VWAP at all. Okay, I'm still red because I had just two scalps, so Tesla is still alive here. I need to push Tesla till 3034 to get back to green at least. Let's see. How about AMD? Who is not doing too much? Oh, AMD. Nice. That was a nice intraday breakout here over 189. Come on, Tesla, push it. I really need that. SPY triple Q though, triple Q tried to break the VWAP, but not the SPY yet. But it can happen at any time. Now my stop loss on Tesla, it's a hard stop loss under 299. I don't want to lose on that stock. But I must tell you, NVIDIA, SMCI, and the rest still doesn't look very good at all. Market is trying hard, but not easy. that's a nasty day so far. AMD is strong. Come on, Tesla. Soundhound, it's out for me. Triple Q509 broken, and here is the SPY. Here is the SPY. Okay, traders, Tesla 301, beautiful. Well, as I've told you, I'm a bit stretched. So let's go for 303 for the second partial for me. Normally 302 is the second partial on the Tesla, okay? And finally, both of the indices are over the VWAP. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. So let's see. Come on, Tesla, 302.50 is going to be my second partial. One more dollar to go. And again, still the question whether this market can continue higher at all. Still a big question mark here. Nice bite back from the bulls, but might is still not enough. Let's see. SPY triple Q just stopped. That's not good. I'd like to see a little bit more to stretch. Oh, Tesla, come on. Such a nice volume in the green candle. It's still not able to continue. That's so funny. Yeah, SPY triple Q just stopped. Oh, come on. Apple back to the VWAP 2. NVIDIA is trying to reverse as well, but really hard time it's having as I see. Bulls are having a hard time today, guys. First to stop the bleeding and now somehow to flip the coin. Not easy. Tesla is just dancing around this $300 level. Doesn't look good. Under 299, I'm going to be out. And the SPY triple Q just going sideways again. Seems like there is no continuation so far higher. Bitcoin or the coin just made the reversal too. Just checking the strongest, weakest stocks in the meantime because we don't know yet which direction the market will continue. Reddit is very strong today, guys. Reddit is up a lot. Indeed. APP, we know it's strong. And seems like the market just cannot make it. Almost out of the Tesla traders, unfortunately. It's just okay out. My Tesla did not work out, fortunately. So I'm still having a red day. Not a huge red thanks to SoundHound and Tesla, but still red, and seems like the market just could not make the continuation with the green candles here. AVGO Lee, checking, sorry, I have not seen that. Oh, nice. That was nice. Maybe over this 196.60 if we do continue higher, but doesn't look like this market. Not really determined indeed. Test of triple Q just making a consolidation here. If you are still holding the Tesla, let's see if it can do a VWAP reversal here. Overall market needs to do something as well. SPY triple Q pulling back under the VWAP in the meantime. Doesn't look good. But the bulls are still fighting, sort of, sort of. What an ugly market today. Wow. Crazy. Yes, Lee, it's a very, very tough market. Raspy Apple. Yeah, Apple looks like as an intraday breakout. I completely agree, but we need to see the market to continue. And I would buy it only 240, 220 for the Apple if you like it. SPY triple Q still fighting with the VWAP in the meantime. NVIDIA completely pulling back towards to the lows. Doesn't look good at all. And everything is dropping again. Wow, guys, this is like no mercy for the bulls today. No mercy for the bulls. There is another big drop coming, seems like. Nasty ugly, nasty ugly. Big red candle on triple Q and the SPY too. And VDA it's almost back with one big red candle to the lows. Happy to be out of everything at the moment. Seems like things changed. Every buyback is sellable in this market, traders, at least today, at least today. Nasty. I'm not sure if it's worth to continue trading, especially if you are in green, and might I'm just going to let this day go with my small red. It's okay. I can manage it. I can handle it. But what I cannot handle is this market today, guys. Sometimes it's wiser to give up indeed, which I don't like, but what can we do? BA checking. BA checking. Looks like as a possible short under 175. But I must tell you, this overall market is disgusting today. Meta, if the market drops, yes, everything is a short again. I would say even Meta or Nvidia under the lows, because everything looks still very weak, in my opinion. Especially if we get under the 100 EMA again with the overall market. Oh, I have not seen Amir's call. He called IONQ over 25. Oh, it was just some minutes ago, and unfortunately, it's just making a reversal as well. SPY triple Q still suffering a lot. No clear direction. Tesla is under pressure again. Broke 298, so that was just a scalp. Fortunately, wondering whether coin is going to fail on 220 and breaking the lows or making a double bottom here. This is what I'm watching in the meantime too. The same with Tesla, whether it can climb back over 300. Depends everything on the market. SPY is trying again, look at that. But actually, there is nothing which I would say that, okay, this looks like a great long because let's just make it clear. There is no momentum in the longs today, guys. And not anymore in the shorts either because the market just completely stuck. So we need to break this 595 again to see a continuation or fail under the low. So 595 on the SPY, 509, 5010 rather on the triple Q. These are the levels to watch to break. Seems like SPY just got a rejection again, a small rejection, especially the triple Q. Not good. Market doesn't look good. It seems like if it continues like that, especially if it cannot push back towards to the highs or 600 level, and this Friday was just a dead cat bounce. No, trying again for a break, but still nothing which I would say that, yeah, this is the one. This is the setup which I want. Hopeless market today, guys. Tesla trying to climb back over this 300 as I see. Question, okay, it's climbing back, but is it able to continue at all? Ugly, ugly, nasty market. SPY still green candles. And don't forget, even Trump is coming with a speech as well. So nothing good, I would say. Usually he speaks around 1 p.m. if I remember right. Tesla is climbing. Not with a huge speed though. SPY getting close to this 595, 595 level. Should be a decision point there. Yeah, Raspi SMCI is completely weak. I was wrong with that completely. Beginning of the day, fortunately. Oh, Apple. Nice call on Apple. Raspi, you did call on the Apple 242.20. Hopefully it's going to continue higher now. But I am not sure whether this market just can push over this 595 level. So far doesn't look like it's going to be an easy thing to do. But SoundHound continues. That's good. Actually, that's a good one. But guys, overall market and all of the big names are just pathetic to trade today. If you go in anything, my big problem or mistake, especially with the SMCI, just go for really small caps. As you can see, it's just because the market just cannot continue either to the upside, neither to the upside nor to the downside. Ugly, ugly. Maybe we need to flip the switch. And yeah, I was thinking that actually around this $75 level, Dicking. But again, I would say what is the most important thing now, traders, that go only for scalps, really small scalps, if you do continue trading. On my side, I think I'm just going to accept this red here, and I'm just going to go and live with it. Sorry I could not make a nice green day today as usual. Well, as you know, I'm always telling you it's part of the game, part of the trading game indeed. Not a good thing to get a red day, but it's in it. And look at that, as I've told you, the market just cannot make the push higher. How is your day, traders? Please let me know. I hope you were much better than me and to the green side. Market is starting to be crazy in the meantime again, like really sudden reversals as I see. Please, if you want to share and just share with us how was your trading day today, which was not really shiny indeed for me. Small green, fantastic. Alamu red day, sorry to hear that. Same here. Break even and that's even better than me. Well done. Okay, guys, don't worry. Tomorrow it's another day. Actually, I'm just checking what's going to happen tomorrow on, especially on the economic side. Um, as I mentioned, labor market news in the spotlight, but tomorrow is still not too much. FOMC member Williams speaks, economic optimism, as I see. And tomorrow is the big day for the tariffs as well, as you know. Wednesday is going to be the start with ADP non-farm employment change, final services PMI factory orders, beige book. Thursday, the usual unemployment claims, plus final wholesale inventories. Lots of FOMC member speakers on Thursday, guys. And Friday is the big day for the labor market. Economic news, including non-farm employment change, unemployment rate. Again, oh, even Fed Chair Powell is speaking on Friday, 12:30 traders. That's something new. So yeah, we are not going to be bored. This day was, I think, the overall market is quite nervous, not just because of the tariffs and everyone is still waiting for some news about the tariffs, but even the geopolitical tension, as I've told you in the beginning, it's not really good. Tara, nice green, but very stressful. Oof, I can imagine on this crazy roller coaster choppy market. So if you are in green traders, just keep it and run. If you do continue trading, protect your green if you are in green. And as I've told you, this is definitely this choppy day. It's for scalping day, nothing else. The guys are not trading anymore, as I hear. They are just speaking about which food is better, Italian or Spanish. Well, good question. Also, I would go rather for the Spanish, but just because of the lot of pasta and pizza. I can just actually don't get off of my treadmill all day if I would live on the Italian food. So I'm going for Spanish indeed. Oh, a small red N. Okay. I won't touch it too hard today. Yes, I completely agree. It's not an easy market today, traders. This is type of market, especially for the starter traders, to watch but not touch. So this is a great observing day for sure, and to learn to observe a kind of a market where it's better if you sit on your hands, which is the worst in day trading. We don't like sitting on our hands, but unfortunately sometimes it's necessary, and even it can just save some money for you and some nerves, right? Because yeah, that type of market can be extremely stressful if you try to read the tape, which is quite unreadable today, unfortunately. So far the SPY and the triple Q both are, if we just check the daily chart, a very, very small range days. The market just started in the first half an hour, a very slow bleeding stopped at 10 o'clock. Since then, it's just consolidating, but cannot pick a side, unfortunately. Not an easy day for sure. So be careful, guys, if you do continue trading. And don't forget, Trump is still coming, so I don't think so he's going to help on that market unless he's not going to surprise everyone with some lower tariffs as planned, like not 25 but lower. That can be a good news for the market. And if the MVDA just stops bleeding, but so far doesn't look like. Not worth trading in my, yeah, exactly. Oh yes, level 2, I should have already at 10:15, but I forgot. I always forgot this change to 1 or 2 minutes chart. But actually the market was so slow that it's completely okay even in 1 minute today. Take the money and run. Yes, exactly. Completely agree with the king. This is that type of market completely. Unless we are not going to see a new daily high or a new daily low, traders, it's still a big question mark whether this market will ever pick a direction today. Amir called some stocks here, but IONQ unfortunately is just going down, and GRRR, which is Gorilla Technology Group, never heard of it. This he called 10 minutes ago, over 36. Yep. Not bad. You see, he's trying to pick stocks which are not very much related with the market. But even now, today, the lower price stocks are not really moving. So it's an extra hard day. And he's just speaking about MU at the moment, that he still likes it, but nothing else indeed. AMD looks better too, definitely. Everything looks better than SMCI and NVDA at the moment on the semicon sector, in my opinion. Also, I would not touch any of them without a significant market push, which we do not have it today. Okay, traders, so I would say I just take my money and run, but today I just take my loss and run. Unfortunately, tomorrow it's a new day, new opportunities. So don't be disappointed. We have market days like that, but the most important thing how you really handle that kind of days. If you made your job and did not go for revenge trading or over trading, you already done a great job, in my opinion. I try to avoid this as well. and I'm just going to be okay with my small red day. And tomorrow, hopefully, is going to be a much better day. Well, first day trading day of March was not the best. Hopefully, the last one is going to be good and the continuation. Tomorrow, I'm going to be back as usual, starting at 9 market time with the preparation session. Please, for the ones who never seen what is a funded account or the TEFS trading challenges, then just go to the website, register, and you can just check it on the client area, lots of things about the packages and everything like that. And of course, if you have any questions, then please just drop me an email. So traders, I'm just saying goodbye, calling it as a day, a red day on my side, and let's see how this market is going to continue, especially after Trump speech. But I don't think so I'm going to be around at that time. So see you tomorrow. Take care, stay safe, and if you are in green, you just made a fantastic job indeed. Thank you, D King. Thank you, Tara. See you tomorrow, everyone. Level 2, Alemu. And have a great day, everyone. And see you tomorrow. Bye.